Hello family, Scissofit with a super knee care. This is a kneecap care. Hold from where I'm holding where there is that gap and push inside gently. And by doing this, you prevent the pain and then the grinding sound. Most time, the knee calf drift because of a tight hips, tight glutes, or injuries in the ankle. All these bones are connected right from the femur, the patella, and then the tibia. So by doing such, you improved on the conditions of your knee because you're stretching it inside, taking it back to its original position. A second exercise is as simple as a leg raiser. Leg raiser from down to 10 degrees, but keeping the leg stretched and straight right from the quads to the knee. Keeping it straight like that and keep raising it. This improves and also take your kneecap back to its position. It keeps conditioning the kneecap to get back to its original position, hence preventing the grinding sound, hence preventing the pain and also the injuries around that area. A third exercise is just bend your legs on the side or lean your knees plus your toes on the side and keep raising it from down to 10 degrees, just as simple as that. And keep doing this and you're preventing the grinding sound, you're preventing the pain around the knee and all the conditionings that are improper for the knee. Thank you so much. Don't be mean with your subscription at Scissofit.